Wait, but before you go,
Yeah.
what is it we're actually about to do in the water?
Today we're starting the Level 3 ICW, which is a Instructor Certification Workshop. Good, okay, so today we're going to be working on our strokes on the water. We're going to be coaching the strokes today. So I want everybody to be nice and relaxed. Just kind of listen to the instructor trainer. The purpose of today is for us to show you strokes, rescues, and then tomorrow you're going to be coaching them back. Perfect. So we sold it and now we showed it. Okay, cool. Come on a little bit closer.
And all of us want to improve our skills, learn from experts, and learn how to help others.
And to be safer on the water when I take people with me.
And I want to bring all of these new skill sets and safety back to my community.
Hi, Mark.
How you doing?
Doing well, mate.
Learn from the instructors, but you learn so much from your colleagues in the course with you.
This is not a rescue that you're going to use with beginner clients. They're not going to know.
And then, so the path of the blade through the water, what did it look like? Was it straight? Was it an arc? What did it look like, Tom?
It really does pay off. I mean, people really like it.
So we have people here from Alaska, there's people here from the UK, and so it's kind of an international cadre of folks. It's quite amazing. So yeah, it starts today and goes for 5 days. And it's a beautiful day in St. Pete.
Well, that'd be cool.
Yeah. It'll start when we had 8 people, and now we've only got 4. To sign off at level 3, we need to be in some bump. This little rip zone right here is very fun. It's kind of a little zipper that will slide out through. Really be working our braces. But be thinking in your mind, if you went over in shallow water, what rescue would you use? Or did you already talk about that? Okay, we go out there, you're probably going to die. No, don't put that on.
No, I
Okay, so we'll be heading out, and we're looking at probably level 3 waves, so we're only talking about 2 feet. They look bigger than they really are.